For my coleslaw, I am going to shred half a purple cabbage, half of regular cabbage, and 2 carrots. So I'm gonna start with this guy here. Oh, and that's why I like food processors. Oh. And we're done with the cabbage. And then I'm adding about 1/4 of a cup of chopped dill. Now for the dressing, I am going to start with the juice of half a lemon. I'll squeeze him right in here. Whoa, that's one juicy lemon. Pour it over here. Move this away. Clean my mess. Over here I have about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. The next thing I'm going to add is half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and over here I have about 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper, about half a cup of whole milk, and about half a cup of mayonnaise, and about half a cup of heavy whipped cream. And I am going to whisk everything together. Oh, that tastes so good. Make sure that the sugar is well mixed. So now before adding my dressing or sauce or whatever you want to call it, I am going to mix everything very well together. It's easier to mix it before you add the dressing. Alright. Whoa. And you know what? I might not be from Kentucky, but I make one hell of a good coleslaw. Just make sure there are no crystals already on. And then pour the whole thing over the coleslaw. I'm gonna take my smiley spoons. Oh, I don't even have to mix it. It did sink pretty good in there. Just a little taste. Just a little. Make sure it's good. Fantastical. Now I'm gonna cover it with saran wrap and let it cool while I'm making my chicken and mashed potatoes. Bam!